So, what are the best AI tools for you to use June 2025? Let's talk about it. I don't want this to be a terribly long list, but I do want to give you a kind of a brief rundown of some of my favorite tools to use right now. Probably the number one overall workhorse for pretty much anything you need to do AI for writing, coding, how to's, all that kind of stuff is obviously going to be ChatGPT. They're one of the biggest in the world, one of the largest user bases, and probably overall, just like I said, the best overall workhorse AI tool that you can get your hands on. One of my favorites for things like search and research specifically is Perplexity. If you haven't used it already, check it out. Sign up for Perplexity Pro and run some of those labs and research. Fantastic product. For video specifically, I would go with Google's Gemini for the VO3. Absolutely fantastic product. You've seen the viral videos floating around all over the place. Another one that goes hand in hand with that is Hydra for animation. That's where you're seeing all those really cute, like baby podcaster videos. That's coming from the Hydra AI. Definitely worth checking out. Kind of a smaller, more unsung one that people don't talk about often enough is u.com. This one, I absolutely love their research reports. They're absolutely beautiful 9, 10 page research reports. Same concept as deep research from ChatGPT and Perplexity, but the way they set the reports up is just absolutely gorgeous, totally worth looking into. And goes hand in hand with that is Stanford Storm. This is specifically for white papers. Think like deep research papers. They're usually about 9 pages long. All the sources are cited. They were doing this concept before these other big companies pulled out deep research. And it's still one of my favorite ones when it comes to learning something specific. Totally worth checking out. For anything involving graphs or diagrams, I highly suggest you look into Napkin AI. Throw in a Word document that you're working on, and it'll pull out some amazing ability to create some infographics that, yes, you could create yourself in something like Excel. But if you're like me and you absolutely hate Excel, this speeds the process up, gives you a ton of options, and they're beautiful graphics. And the last one here is Hugging Face. If you haven't signed up for a free account to Hugging Face, do so. It's $9 a month for Pro. Their Spaces feature where you can test out AI models live before you then download for offline use or maybe commit to a full license through that company. Absolutely fantastic. I've been testing all kinds of amazing AI tools and models from all over the world, and it's just an amazing repository. Tell me what you're using. Talk to me. I want to know what AI tools are best for you right now.